Okay guys, welcome back. We just got this bag in the mail, had to unbox it and tell you all my thoughts. So as we can see, it is the tote bag by Marc Jacobs in the Teddy in the beige or brown color, and this is the small size. So let's get to the video where we dive into what fits, how I plan on wearing it, and all my initial thoughts. I'm not looking to meet your friends. No, I've been looking for a love inside, for someone I appreciate and everything. Okay, first off, no secret here. I needed to get the Teddy Sherpa Marc Jacobs tote bag in the small size. So you guys know I have the mini size tote bag from Marc Jacobs in the black leather. I will link the video somewhere here so you guys can go back and watch it if you want to see my thought behind it and why I purchased it. But after owning that and just like seeing the structure and how it was made, I had like pretty much immediately wanted to get this last year, but I actually thought I was going to get it in the mini size. I'm glad I didn't for one specific reason. My laptop fits in the small. So I don't need two mini bags when I can actually use one for toting around like my electronic essentials. So first off, ordered this last week, saw that it was online at the Marc Jacobs website and just grabbed it. I almost ordered both sizes, but I have self-control sometimes and ended up getting the small size after, I think there's not like a ton of videos, but I did see that the laptop did fit in this size in a different color, so I assumed it would. Plus it's very pliable, like it would work. And it came in just a box. This was just like sitting in plastic. I will say the Marc Jacobs packaging leaves something to be desired. It's not why I'm purchasing the bag. There's no real experience there. Everything is packed into the bag with like plastic and foam. And even the dust bag is in here, which I think is kind of funny because like the bag should come in the dust bag. So this is the dust bag. Interesting. I actually don't mind it. I think when they're all black, they get a little like dusty for me. So that's good. But like I said, the bag itself comes just stuffed with tissue paper. And it does come with the strap and one of these like chemical things, which we don't really care about. And sorry for my outfit. This is the Free People like overalls. I think it comes in one size, but it is so comfortable. And it's by Free People Movement. If I can find it, I will link it for you guys below. I bought it in 2 colors. Okay, but I digress. This is the small size, like I said. It has the logo in the front. It says the tote bag Marc Jacobs. It doesn't bother me. I think having the tote bag all over the bag was a little annoying, but the back has nothing on it and it is very soft. And I just love this color. It is a true beige nude. And I just think it's like a cute little bag. This one retailed for $275. The tag is here. And I did pay sales tax. I did buy it straight from Marc Jacobs. And this is the strap that it comes with. I'm not gonna like unpack it right now just because, well, I guess we could. Just don't have scissors with me. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. Okay, it does have a strap. It's a canvas fabric with a leather-ish like tab at the end, and it comes with silver hardware. Pretty sturdy hardware, I'll say. Not sure if I will end up using the strap, but we'll see. Not exactly my favorite hardware color. That's okay as well. And then the way you link and strap it on is in the interior of the bag. So that's going to be interesting to see how that works with the zipper. The zipper I actually really like. It's a plastic, black, detailed, all black zipper, and then this end can tuck into the side here, or it can tuck into the bag. Actually, that might work better. So that we can actually latch this on. So I will try this on for you guys just so you can see it with the strap. I probably, like I said, I probably won't wear it with the strap. I just think it's a cute little bag to tote. It's very light, even with my laptop in it. Can I get this on? What the heck? Got it, okay. Maybe there is like a reason to why you should do it that way. Okay, so the strap is basic. Like I said, like not my favorite, but let's see how it looks if I stand up. This bag. Okay. And this is just with the length that it came. Yeah, so I guess, you know, how cute would it be with like all black sweats and your little Sherpa bag, your teddy bag. And this is what it looks like with it hanging down. It's actually not bad like that. I think I would do it like that and just leave it hanging down. But the bag itself, this is how it looks. This is the back with the no logo whatsoever. Just think it is so cute. And I did want to bring some stuff over to show you what fits really quick. So like I said, the main reason I wanted it was in the size, not what I wanted it for in general, is to have my laptop fit. Cute little cozy bag. It's very protected in here and it fits in really nicely. So it fits in and I have tons of room. So I brought another bag that I used for work. This is actually a toiletry case from Lululemon. This is from, I think, the men's section. I just got it. You can actually find it now. And it has my medium agenda planner in it from Louis Vuitton. And then I also, it came with this like little clear pouch that I put my cables, my headphones, chargers, all of that into. And it fits right in here. And so I figured I have a little Tide pen in there. It's a great little option to hold like my pens and my agenda, as well as cables to organize. And then I toss that in here. So far, that is what fits. There is an interior pocket in here that could hold your wallet, your phone. It's pretty spacious. You can see, let me see if I can, but it does not flip out like the other Marc Jacobs bags do. And then this zips right up and I could fit a ton. Like I can really fit, let's see, I could fit sunglass case, a book, Kindle, wallet, ton of other stuff. I didn't want to do like a whole what fits in here, but I did want to show you guys really quickly what I plan on using it for right away. And I think it's perfect. So, you know, it is still really hot here in Nashville, but my mind is already towards like cozy sweater weather, boot season, and I just thought it was a really cute little bag to add to the collection. And the price point is really reasonable. And I actually, you know, really had my heart set on getting a teddy bag that was more on the higher end luxury side, but it's a fabric I'm not familiar with, this type of like teddy Sherpa, so I don't know how it wears over time and it makes me a little bit nervous. I figured this would be a great test run at seeing how I handle this type of material and how I actually like it. Is it more of like a trend? Is it more of a classic for fall and winter? Or is it something that I'm just gonna get over and really hate having to maintain? So with a $275 price point, I felt like it was decent, great. I know Marc Jacobs quality is there. I know that, you know, I know what I'm getting, and I do love like the structures there. I don't need an organizer, but it's still very like soft and cute. So if you guys have been thinking about this bag, I'll definitely do a ton more videos on it. I'll do a comparison to the mini size. I have been getting a ton of questions. I think you guys have been looking at the leather versions for fall and winter, and that's usually where that bag comes out for me in my collection. So definitely do some more comparison videos. But as a cute little Sherpa tote, we love, right? Okay guys, so I had to hop on and unbox this bag with you guys ASAP. Totally out of left field, but if you guys have any questions or comments, like leave me all your thoughts. Did you see this bag last year? It does come in a couple other colorways, I believe black and gray, but your neutral queen over here loves those brown tones, so I had to go with this one. So please leave all your thoughts below, any questions you have, videos you want to see on this bag. If you need an immediate response, definitely reach out to me on Instagram at dacorndesigner. Happy to answer all of your questions there. And I know this outfit does not go with this bag today, but cozy is cozy, and I'm excited to keep you guys updated. As always, thank you, love you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.